Dollar Tree has really stepped up its game, y'all, and you won't want to miss a single detail of it. Get ready for a walkthrough filled with surprising finds you won't believe can be found at the Dollar Tree. Did I tell you they have a new cleaning product that screams luxury and a whole new line of storage items? Let's do this. Dollar Tree has stocked up a lot of baskets. Look at these loaded baskets. They are not just cute but are also perfect for getting your pantry, your classroom, bathroom, or under the sink space organized. And the best part, they come in different colors and shapes, adding a touch of personality to your space. While we are still on the organizing baskets, in the previous video I showed you guys these baskets in bigger sizes. Well, Dollar Tree have stepped it up a notch and now have smaller shape sizes and different colors too. These pint-sized baskets are ideal for bringing order to smaller spaces like linen closets, petite pantries, and under the sink hideaways. Moving on, in the plus section, I found these large woven baskets. They are new at my Dollar Tree. Normally they carry these ones here, which I like, but these are pretty too. And they also have them in medium size. Still in the plus section, look what I found here. I have not seen this type of baskets at the Dollar Tree anywhere. These are pretty, y'all, and they are well made. They come in different colors and sizes too. So cool. In the beauty section, Dollar Tree has these cute glittery lid boxes in different colors, as you can see here. They're not just perfect for organizing makeup like eyeshadows, lipsticks, your concealers, or hair scrunchies, but can also double as a glamorous gift box. I bought 2 of them and my daughter was so excited with her pink choice. Before I show you this functional lunch or snack tower and how I used it, let's talk about these black and gold wire baskets. These are Dollar Tree staples and now they've spiced things up with some vibrant colors just in time for spring. They are perfect for keeping your papers, mail, and kids' homework in check. For those summer nights outdoors, Dollar Tree has you covered, my friend. They now have these solar pathway lights with a secure bottom. They are so pretty, y'all. Look at that. Still on the outdoor items, look at these sleek light bulb sets in black and gold, perfect for illuminating your balcony in style. And these cutest solar lanterns you can easily hang outside for a charming touch. Now this is what I was talking about. Check out this lunch storage tower. I have been looking for this for the longest and I'm happy my Dollar Tree has them in stock. They come in different colors and they have this smaller container to store your salad dressing or dip. I have used it to store some snacks and this is perfect for work, school, or when traveling. Look at that. Okay, now Dollar Tree, y'all trying to be fancy. Check these fridge storage containers. I like that they are clear and easy to see what's inside. No more keeping expired or rotten food. You can also use this storage container to organize your pantry. If you are really particular about order in your drawers, Dollar Tree have these felt drawer organizers in blue and gray. Each pair of socks or any small items will have its own home, case closed. Look what I found here, Clorox clothespins with non-slip grip. They are 12 in this pack and for just $1.25, this is a good deal. If you're feeling a bit pushy, treat yourself to these gold base candle holders. They come in different colors too and they have a modern touch to it. And don't overlook the mini candle lantern. It lights up, making it ideal for adding a cozy vibe to your kitchen counter or shelves. Look how pretty they are. Don't miss Dollar Tree's big solar lanterns. They are back in various designs in the plus section. They also have these candle jar holders, and you can pair it with these LED tea light candles. In the stationery section, there are more finds like these cute and colorful pencil holders with lids. They also have stylish pastel options for the pencil holders in different shapes and sizes. They are so pretty, y'all. Look at that.
If you're getting any value from this video, maybe hit that like button so the video may spread more people. Thank you for supporting my mom.
To top that, look at this gold sellotape holder. It looks so fancy, y'all. Ready for some functional finds? Dollar Tree have these activity trays for the kiddos in different vibrant colors. These are perfect for Play-Doh or slime fun without the mess. That's every parent's dream, right? Okay, my friend, go to the garden section and grab these knee pads. They are perfect for knee support, not just when gardening, but cleaning and also bathing kits and other DIY projects that you have to kneel down. And those pebble tumblers, they are ideal for quenching your thirst as we head into spring and summer. Of course, I had to swing by the cleaning section, and guess what caught my eye? These made in the USA Tough Plus or Purpose cleaning wipes. They come with 160 pre-sucked ready-to-use sheets in the container. These wipes are a dupe of Turbo towels that are selling for $14.98 on Amazon and even more elsewhere. These Dollar Tree ones are a good deal, y'all, for just $1.25. Of course, they made it into the cart. Next is this luxury carpet refresher in Island Breeze scent. It made it into the cart right away. I tested it at home and it really smells so good, and it's something I will buy again. I also grabbed this Oxyblast stain remover by Brillo Basics. I have had a positive experience with their dish spray, and so I'll be testing out this one too. Remember to subscribe and turn your notification bell so you won't miss out on the next video. I also found this name brand Let Me Shine disinfectant. Exciting, right? I got the fresh scented one and tested it on my toilet. It did the job well, leaving everything sparkling and no streaks. But whoa, the scent hit me hard. It was super strong, y'all. Have you tried this product before? Let me know in the comments below. If you need some inspiration, grab these prayer boxes at the Dollar Tree or give them to someone in your life. If you're not feeling well in your body, mind, or emotions, know that you're going to be okay, my friend. Find comfort in knowing that the season you're in is not going to last forever. Your spring is coming and you will be happy again. You will not fall, but you are going to make it, my friend. Of course, after such a long store walk through, it won't hurt to pick this Fiji water. I have tried it before and I can testify that the hype is true. It's not just a fancy bottle, but the water is crispy fresh with no aftertaste, which is so good. Dollar Tree also have these small decorative bottles in white and black with some details here. So pretty, y'all. If you're in the decorative mood, grab those flower vases. They are well made and comes in different shapes too. Check out this video I suggest next for more valuable content, and share this video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.